Alright, so to be honest, I'm really tired, but we decided that we're going to, where are we going?
Scotchies.
So we're going to Scotchies. That's in, I think it's on Holborn Road in New Kingston. So that's where we're going right now to get something to eat. To be honest, I'm super tired. People can be like, yo, it's your weekend and you're having a lot of fun, but yo, fun can be very tiring as well, you know. So I realize it's definitely important to ensure that you have sleep, like them 8 hours, they're important. And yeah, so I'm not that hungry, but I'm still going to Scotchies nonetheless, and you know, get some, because that's another resolution of mine for this year. I want to, well, I get in a trainer in January, so to start bulking up a bit. So we're gonna Samaga. Yeah, this is pretty much the entrance of Scotchies. It's really nice. Feels kind of like you're in some, I don't know, like an artificial forest, pretty much. Christmas time, so you definitely have the lights. I wonder if this ever happened to anybody. Like you plan to wear sneakers, but because you're in a rush, you end up walking out in slippers. It's ridiculous. And as usual, I guess people looking at me thinking that I'm crazy. But I'm not crazy, I'm just vlogging, right? Ready? Give me a good pose, man. A better pose.
I don't know how to pose.
Another pose.
What?
Another pose, a better pose.
Can you give me your pose?
Yeah, pose it. Haha, got you. It's a video. Oh, look. Look at that face, punked. So the outer chicken. The outer chicken. What are they out of? And Fiona doesn't eat pork and they're out of chicken. But I think we'll go with it though, because as I said, I'm kind of hungry. So. Hungry? Is that the hungry face?
Hello, do you have the lemon flavor stripe? I can have one, please.
And a Malta, please.
Abby, come on. That's it?
Yeah, for now. How long before the chicken is ready?
How much chicken?
I want a whatever quarter of a chicken. Yeah.
2 quarters.
2 quarters, yeah. Yes, please.
1,490.
Hold on, we need something to eat with the chicken, you know. What you guys have ready for with the chicken?
Sweet potato. I want bambi. I can get.
So we're just looking at the camera. So we're gonna get some juice before we start. Are you embarrassed of the camera? Are you afraid of the camera? I'm not afraid. I don't care who's looking at me and who's saying I'm weird. But this is what I do. You don't wanna go back? What we got. Jerk chicken, and there was there's ketchup on top of it, but that's jerk chicken, some pepper sauce because there wasn't a container. Same thing over there. This is where we're sitting. As I said, it's kind of like a jungle kind of setup. You know, it's really beautiful here, very relaxing. Yeah, pretty cool. I kid you not, the chicken is here, it's just always like really soft and really nice and just tender. The flavor is good, kind of smoky. For me, just the thing there. Maybe another time I'll vlog it here a little bit better, but I'm really tired. So I didn't have the time to really kind of like show what the place looks like, but it's impressive. I think my battery is almost dying, even though I have an extra battery, but yeah, that's it, I'm really tired. I guess my camera is tired as well, so I want to turn off, so. Thank you. You know when you eat chicken and the pepper really burning you, and you're like...
Stop spinning your pepper.
Eh?
Stop spinning your pepper.
Why?
Stop with that.
This? This? Almost done, almost done.
Relax your face.
This is relaxed. You know when you eat pepper?
Hit it again.
Ready?
No, like, come look. Like, you bug them under my eyes.
Oh my god.
Not pretty, like.
You mean, I'm not sure I'm nothing really pretty, you know? Alright. So, we're pretty much at the end of another vlog. For me, it was a really hectic day, you know, a lot of energy, a lot of fun. I mean, it was crazy. And right now, I'm really tired. But, however, I really want to thank you guys for being a part of the vlog, you know, for watching and coming along with us. And I hope you guys stick around for another adventure. Remember, you can always subscribe, and if you like it, definitely subscribe. I would appreciate that. Thumbs up. And remember these 3 things, guys: love, nature, adaptation, and always keep the link.